Welcome to LaSalle. This is the Dolby Atmos studio where we teach full immersive 360-degree sound. We're the premier school in Vancouver to teach this technology, and it's a wonderful tool for teaching. Students get to learn how to use the Dolby Atmos renderer to mix and record music. It's object-based mixing. Dolby objects can be manipulated in space. We have an iPad, so as I move those objects around, the blue object is what I'm manipulating with my finger, and you can see it moving in real time as I move it around the studio. We have the Avid Matrix Studio as our primary interface. We also have amazing preamps. We have the Neve 1073 OPX. We use Dante. It's a complete Dante network that can be accessed from anywhere in the school, so we could use these preamps in different rooms. So we're teaching music creation, we're teaching music mixing, we're teaching how students to output for those specs. We're teaching students how to do sound for film and TV. We even have a location sound portion of our classes, so that we'll be able to do on-set production sound. Dolby Atmos is the new delivery spec for Netflix, Amazon, Apple. Apple calls it spatial audio. You may have heard that term before. It's full 360-degree sound. What that means is we've got 7.2.4 speakers. The 7 are the surround speakers all the way around us. The 2 are 2 big subwoofers that create a low frequency effect sounds. We can send sounds to those, or we can do a crossover and send low frequencies to them automatically. And then the 0.4 are the ceiling speakers. So it completely immerses you in the sound, and it's object-based. So all of the sounds become objects that renderer puts in space, and we can move to anywhere around you in space. Say about that, edit, cut, and back.